The Attorney-General says he won't be taking any action against hit-run lawyer Eugene McGee after receiving advice from the Crown Solicitor. But John Rau says he'll push for changes to make members of the legal profession more accountable for their conduct.
Eugene McGee enjoyed lunch with friends in Chinatown this afternoon after learning his licence to practice law was no longer under threat. 8 years after he killed Ian Humphrey in a hit-run accident in the Barossa, the legal options against him seem to have been exhausted. Despite reviewing the case after the Legal Practitioners Conduct Board ruled McGee could still practice law, the Attorney-General has decided not to intervene. John Rau says based on the Crown Solicitor's advice, he won't refer the matter to the profession's disciplinary tribunal.
This matter is at an end, but reform of the legal profession, and in particular reform of the professional conduct arrangements for the legal profession, is beginning in earnest.
Those reforms would likely broaden the definition of unprofessional conduct and may replace the legal board entirely. But Independent Senator Nick Xenophon says the McGee case shouldn't be put to rest and is calling on the Attorney-General to release details of his legal advice.
Over 8 years, the legal system has basically spat at this family. Today's just one more episode in a very sorry saga, which I think puts the legal system in South Australia into disrepute.
The president of the Law Society, Ralph Bonnick, says he's working with the government to improve the Legal Practitioners Act.
Unfortunately, we are constrained by the wording of the Act. We're working under the legislation which has been in place for 15 to 20 years, and that's why we're working with the Attorney-General to review it.
The reforms are expected to be introduced into Parliament in the new year. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.